In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not sending emails. If your messages are getting stuck or never reaching the recipient, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you quickly pinpoint and solve the most common causes. We'll check your connection, clear any stuck messages, run a quick test, refresh your browser data, and make sure attachments aren't too large. Follow along step by step, and pause the video if you need more time at any point. First, confirm your internet connection is solid. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on, and then open another website in your browser to verify that pages load normally. If that site is slow or won't open, the issue likely isn't Yahoo Mail, it's your connection. Restart your router by unplugging it, waiting about 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. Once you're online and stable again, return to Yahoo Mail and try sending your email. Next, check your outbox or drafts for stuck messages. Open Yahoo Mail, then head to the outbox or drafts folder. Some apps label this differently, but the idea is the same. Look for any emails that show as pending, unsent, or failed. If you find one, you can delete it if it's no longer needed, or open it and try sending it again. Sometimes a quick resend after a better connection is all it takes. Now, send a test email to yourself. Click Compose, address it to your own email, and add a short subject and message. Send it and see if it appears in your sent folder and then in your inbox. This checks both sending and receiving. If it shows up, your account is working. The original issue may have been a temporary hiccup or related to a specific email. If problems persist in a web browser, clear your browser cache. Open your browser settings, go to the Privacy or Clear Browsing Data section, and select Cookies and Cached Images and Files. Clear that data, then fully close and restart your browser. Sign back in to Yahoo Mail and try sending again. Clearing cache removes outdated site data that can interfere with login sessions or the Compose window. Finally, review any attachments. Open your email draft and remove very large files. Keep the total attachment size under 25 mm to stay within Yahoo's sending limits. If needed, compress files into a smaller archive or share a cloud storage link instead. After trimming the size, resend the message. By walking through these checks, connection, outbox, test send, browser cache, and attachments, you'll resolve most sending issues quickly and get your Yahoo Mail back on track.